General, you appear not to be sure whom Tagati is. Is my understanding correct?
I'm not sure.
You are not sure, thank you. And although you did respond to the question as to who the others were, that is the other people referred to by Sergeant Nkosi, please just tell me again, who do you say the others were? The people that Sergeant Nkosi says he wanted to meet together with Mtakati.
My request was that.
No. I'm talking about the people Sergeant Nkosi is referring to. Who are those people?
Yes. I'm basing it on my request that I want to meet them. I was still referring to the taxi people.
No, that comes after. That comes after. Who is Sergeant Nkosi referring to? Tagati and others in regards to the Mama issue. Who in response to Ms. Hassim did you say the others are? Or I should not confine you to that response. Let me just ask you broadly. Who are the others?
Is Nkosi saying and others?
Yes. Look at the chat 337, chat number 5.
I saw it.
Yes. Who are the others then?
I think Nkosi is the one who can explain that, Chair. Who were the others?
No. That poses a difficulty for you because you then say in chat number 6, you also want to meet, open quote, them, close quote, urgently. So you know who he is talking about. So you cannot say that I should ask Sergeant Nkosi. You are referring to the same people. He is going to meet Ntagati and others about the Mama issue. And you then say, I want to meet them urgently. So who are the people that you wanted to meet and who happen to be the same people that Sergeant Nkosi wanted to meet about the Mama issue?
From where I'm sitting, because when I wanted to meet, and he said, I'm going to meet. He said them and him and others, I don't know. And I said, okay, I want to meet them urgently. But I was on my way to Brazil.
Do you accept that that obviously means that you knew who those people were? You cannot want to have an urgent meeting with people whose identities you have no idea of. So you knew who Sergeant Nkosi was talking about. It's only logical, correct?
It is correct, Chair.
So who are the people you wanted to meet then?
In my case, the only people that I know...
It cannot be other people. It must be the same people that Sergeant Nkosi wanted to meet. So it cannot be my case, all of a sudden my case, and you talk about people who may not necessarily be the same people that Sergeant Nkosi was talking about. Sergeant Nkosi says, I want to meet Mtagati and others about the Mama issue. And you say, I also want to meet them urgently. So there's a correlation. You are talking about the exact same people. So I'm asking you, who did you want to meet?
Who I wanted to meet was Steve.
So does that mean that Sergeant Nkosi also wanted to meet Steve?
I take it that, Chair.
And is Steve Mtagati or is Steve in the others?
And the others too, as far as I'm concerned, I thought it could be those people still of the people that I wanted to meet.
So, as at the time, Sergeant Nkosi wrote this to you, did you know who he was talking about? Because now you seem not sure who he was talking about. And you appear to be talking about the people that you wanted to meet who might not necessarily have been the same people that Sergeant Nkosi is talking about. Am I making sense?
The chair is making sense?
Yes. Now, as at the time Sergeant Nkosi wrote this to you, did you know the people that he was saying, I want to meet Mtagati and these people? Did you know who he was referring to at the time?
Chair, I can't really think at that time who was it, but the
All right,
only-
if they could.
Sure.
You say, but they could. Please finish your sentence.
So what I know, the people that I would always want to meet was
No. I'm saying, as at the time, did you know those that Sergeant Kosi wanted to meet? Let's park you on the side for a minute. Did you know, as at the time, did you know the people that Sergeant Kosi wanted to meet?
I think
You've already said you've already given an answer, and I think you said you are not sure.
Yes, I'm not sure, Chair, but why I'm saying I'm not sure, I do know that I was going to meet Steve.
I've said let's park you on the side for a minute. I'm talking about Sergeant Kosi. Do you not know now, or did you not know at the time, as to the people that Sergeant Kosi was referring to? Do you get the difference?
At the time, I didn't know.
You did not know.
Yes.
Why did you not ask him? Why did you say, who on earth are you talking about?
I really didn't know. As I was saying, maybe I was in a flight now to Brazil. I think I was going on official duties. But when I say I want to meet them.
You want to meet them being people that you did not know, whose identities you did not know at the time. I want to meet them. I don't even know who they are, but I want to meet them. Is that what you are telling us?
No.
What are you telling us?
What I'm trying to tell the chair is that I know that when you spoke about Mtagati, in my mind it was Steve, or it was Steve in my mind.
Did you know Steve to be known as Mtagati?
Interchangeably, so sometimes he spoke about Mtagati, sometimes he spoke about RR. Sometimes he spoke about Steve, so there were many names, sometimes referring to the same person. So I don't know if there are different people. I'm not so sure, because I can't point out a person by the name of Steve.
How then should I understand your earlier response, which was that you were not sure who Mtagati is, and that you also did not know who the others were? If now you say you know Steve to be also referred to as Mtagati, how should I take your earlier response? Or how should I understand your earlier response?
I'm lost a little bit, Chair.
Earlier you said that, and I think that was one of my earlier questions, and I was asking it on the back of a response you had given to Ms. Hassim, and I asked you, are you saying that you are not sure who Mtagati is? Do you remember saying you were not sure?
I'm not sure,
Yes.
Chair.
Now, all of a sudden, you appear to be sure. You say that Steve is also referred to as Mtagati, and also as, did you say R as well?
Yeah, Chair.
Also as R.
Chair, I'm not saying with absolute certainty that Steve is Mtagati. I'm not saying that. But the name of Mtagati is not the first time I hear. Now, when he says I'll be meeting Mtagati and others, in my mind, it came as, sometimes they can call you this name, but also call you Mtagati. So it came like that to me. So I'm not saying it's the same person. Where I'm wrong, I'll be wrong, that there are two different individuals. I'm just saying, to me, it's how it came about.
All right. To cut this short, General, I will suggest this to you, and please respond at the end. I will suggest to you that in ordinary communication, you would only say that I want to meet those people urgently if you know, or if you knew the identities of those people. I'm going to meet Mtagati and others about the Mama issue. And then you say, I also want to meet them urgently. In ordinary communication, you would only say that if you know the identities of those people. Otherwise, it simply does not make sense. I suggest that to you. Your response?
My response, Chair, is that when I said, okay, it's because he said, I want to meet Mtagati and others. And then I knew he was referring to the same person or people who would be with, and say, I would want to meet them when I come back. And when I say them, I was referring to Steve and those that we agreed that is going to arrange for me. So I wasn't really.
Had you made an arrangement to have a meeting about the Mama issue?
No.
So Sergeant Nkosi was going to meet people about the Mama issue. Are you suggesting that the people that he was going to meet about the Mama issue were the same people that you wanted to meet?
No. In my case, he was just telling me that he's going to meet them.
About the Mama issue?
It's fine.
Yes.
I understand that.
Yes. Yes.
That I'm going to meet them about the Mama issue.
Yes.
He will be the one to explain about the Mama issue.
Then how do those people become the same people that you wanted to meet? The people that he wants to meet about the Mama issue, how do they become the same people that you want to meet about something else altogether?
I'm not, from where I'm sitting, I'm not connecting the Mama issue.
Exactly.
Where I'm sitting, I'm not connecting the Mama issue with the meeting that I wanted to have.
Exactly.
So I'm saying I also want to meet them as soon as possible.
Them being people that he is meeting about the Mama issue, and you want to meet these people about something else. Is that not correct?
Yes.
Where's the correlation? How do they become the same people?
It's just that, Chair, I'm trying to explain that as Sergeant goes, you are telling me about something, and I say, but I also want to meet them urgently on something else.
Thank you, General.